Hey everybody, welcome back to Crafting Made Easy. This is Lo, and today we are going to make a quick card using the Cricut Joy. Okay, so today I'm going to use my phone, so I'm going to use the Cricut Design Space app on my phone, and I'm just going to make a quick card because I just want to see how quick it is, like actually how quick it is, because I don't really have a lot of time to spend on making the card, so I just want to kind of see if it really is as quick as everyone says it is. So let's kind of get started. So, I'm gonna make this card right here. It says I love us. So I'm on the Cricut app, Design Space app on my phone, and I have the Cricut mat, well, the Cricut Joy mat for the cards, and of course you'll need a Cricut Joy. So with those, and then you'll need the insert cards. They come with 12, is it 12? Yeah, 12 pre-scored cards, and then the 12 inserts. So I'm just going to open it up. This is my first time opening it up, my first time making a card with the Joy. And you can see the colors of the card on the outside. It has the, this is the insert, and then the card is gray. So do that. Let's see. Ooh, y'all know I like that holographic. You know I can't ever say the word right. But I love it, love it, love it. And then the card is gray. So it's cute. It's kind of textured. So I don't know if you can see that. You hear it? So it's kind of textured on the outside, but the inside is kind of smooth. It's smoother than the outside. So we are going to make the card. So I already took everything out, or I took this out of the plastic, I should say. This is like an instruction card stuck on it, and it just kind of tells you for custom cards in minutes, works with Cricut Joy cards, and it tells you to remove the protective top sheet, tells you to slide the card under, always align the top left. So this is just like a little instruction thing for you to just keep to the side if you want to. It also kind of shows you on the actual mat how to do it too. So I'm going to pick the I Love Us card. It says easy, less than 30 minutes it'll make. It tells you what the finished size will be, 4 by 25 by 5 by 5. I mean, not 4 by 24, 4.25 by 5 by 5. Materials to cut. So if you've never made anything off of Cricut Design, it'll tell you everything that you need. So materials to cut, you'll need the Joy, we already said. You'll need the card mat, the scraper, and of course the inserts and stuff. And then it tells you how to prep it, how to print, how to cut it, and how to assemble it. So you can't customize it because that's not even highlighted. It just goes to make it. So I'm going to set up my mat first, and you just put it under. Oh, okay. So it's just one little. I don't know why I made it seem like it was two different things, or maybe I just assumed it was, but it's just one little thing here. So if you can see that, it's just one sleeve. You slide the card in the sleeve and goes all the way over, and then it also tells you right here what size your card is. I'm not sure. Okay, there we go. So right here it tells you that's the first one is a 3 by 5, 3.5. This one is a 4.25, and then the bottom is a 4.5. So this one is a 4.25. So I have everything set up the way it says it. I'm going to hit make it on my phone. Oh, I think I still have it under it's telling me a 12. Wait a minute, 1 second, because I don't think it's set for my Joy? Yeah, my Joy is not on my phone for some reason. Okay, there we go. I had to change it to the Joy. Okay, there we go. So what I had to do, because I have a maker as well, but it wasn't selected for my maker. I mean, not my maker. It wasn't selected for the Joy. So I had to go here to my name, and then I think it was machine selection, and then I just hit the Cricut Joy because it was set for maker, because it told me to put it on a 12 by 12. So it's set for the Joy now, and I just hit make it, and then it's telling me how to set it up on the mat. So it's set up like that. On card mat, mirror off, and then I'll hit continue. Location access allows design space to connect with your Cricut device over Bluetooth. Okay, that's fine. Connect to a paired machine by tapping connect. Okay. So I had, this is my first time using my phone app to pair the Joy, so it's just taking me through the motions right now. All right, so it's connecting. Successful. Okay, so it's successfully connected. So this is, so it says set materials for this mat. So for this one, it's not there, so I'm gonna go all materials, insert card. Okay, because we're doing this together, y'all. All right, so I guess it will just be cardboard. I'm not cardboard, cardstock. Insert card. Yeah, okay, so insert cardstock. So I'm gonna put that as my favorite, and then click it, and then it's just telling me to load the blade. It's already loaded, and then load the mat when ready. So I'm just going to load the mat. Okay, so it's going through the motions, and then I just hit go on my phone. And you see the card is lifted up, so okay, there we go. I just want to make sure it's going to go down. And it's cutting. It looks like it slid down. I don't know, y'all. Don't look like it. Ooh, look at it. It's messing up. It's sliding. Oh my God. So we're going to pause it because right now it is cutting on the mat. And we're going to unload it. Okay, so something went wrong. It is not cutting correctly. It has cut all on my mat. So somewhere I did something wrong. Ah, haha, I see it. Okay. All right, so my mistake. So it is a plastic sheet on here that I did not see. So it actually cut on the plastic protective sheet. Aha, okay. Woo, I thought it was cutting my mat. Okay. Do not do what I do. See, I'm glad. See, we did it all on camera. Okay. And I should have known because it wasn't sticky. Okay, that did cut into it a little bit. Okay, so this is the protective sheet here. I thought I already removed it, but obviously I did not. Read your instructions. Don't be a me, but lesson learned, and then I did it on camera. But anyway, Now it's sticky because I was like, why is the card moving? Okay, so I did everything right except for take the plastic sheet off. So you put this in there like so, and you lay it on there. So now the card won't be able to move. Ah, see, there we go. Okay. Then we're going to try it again. All right, it's preparing again. So it's just basically just starting the whole thing over again. So I'm just going to hit go. There we go. Okay. That's the first time doing it, and I've learned my lesson. So I know. I thought I removed this sheet already before I got it on the camera, but I didn't. So alright. And it says it in here, remove protective top sheet. I thought I did that already, so that's why I just slid the card under and kept it moving. But just make sure, because you can barely see it, just make sure you actually remove the top part of the mat, the plastic cover. Alright, so now I have to get like some kind of cellophane or something to put on the top of my mat. But look, it's cutting fast. Look how fast it's cutting. Had it not been for my mistake, we would have already had a card. Look at the... It's done. It is done. Unload mat. Done. The card is done. Wow. Alright, then you just, I'm going to hit finish on my phone so that can be done. And then you just peel it off. It's like really stuck on there. I'll use my little spatula because I brought like the whole kit a long time ago. And it's practically weeding on the mat. And I'm trying to go slow and gentle because I do not want to waste another one, y'all. Because, yeah. I mean, I got a good deal on it, but look at that. These two things are the only things that did not weed. But basically, look at that. It basically weeded on the mat. And then you just put this in there. Let me make sure I'm getting this on the camera. OMG. Let's see. Here we go. Okay, so my phone in the background is... Please forgive all of that. I swear, my phone never buzzes, beeps, chimes until I'm on this camera. And then it's like noise after noise after noise. It's the same thing when I do my reviews. It's like no one wants to call or text or nothing until I hit record. Okay, so this thing. The only thing is the insert doesn't want to bend or flex very well, but that is it. Like, I have a card in less than 15 minutes, and it would have been less than that if I didn't mess up the first card. So that is it, everyone. I really like this Joy, and like I said, I'm going to really use it for vendor events. Like if someone wanted a card really quickly at an event, somebody said, do you have happy birthday cards? Sure. Boom, I go on Cricut Design Space or whatever, and then just cut it out really quick. You saw it's, look, the cut really took less than 5 minutes to do. I'm going to write something really cute in here, and I have a card. Like, ta-da, I love this Joy. I'm going to keep doing different projects with it to keep trying to learn it and so forth, you know, just to get a feel for it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do apologize for the error, but I'm glad I did it on camera so you can see and not do the same thing that I did. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also hit the share button and comment down below if you have any suggestions or you wanted to see something, or you can just tell me a few things that you like about the Joy if you have one. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. I'm going to try to do a video at least every other day to just kind of get a good feel for everything, and then maybe later on it'll space out, so I don't want to bombard you. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. Until next time, everyone. Peace.